Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Nolland Industries. On this one, as you've seen in the title, we have a new parts arrival from Kudos Motorsports. I want to say a massive thanks to these guys for supporting the channel, supporting me on my journey to try and build an R32 track car. That's taken a little while, but we're getting there. So stay tuned, let's see what we got in the box. Hit the like button, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and yeah, let's get right into it.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air, rapping scattered off the gear? I can map him, yeah, he is like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real, catch him lacking, run the drill, bro. Running through the shit like a motherfucking day.
Alright guys, so quick little update, just while I got you, is I've completely lost the will to do any YouTube stuff at the moment. My channel just went completely down. I was doing YouTube for the fun of it, and it hasn't been fun for me at the moment. I've still got a lot of you guys that keep supporting me on every video, which feels awesome. I'm not really doing it for that reason, but at the same time, I'm sort of like entrepreneur minded. I like to see things progress, and the channel was progressing quite good, and then it's just been on a steep downward curve, getting worse and worse of progression wise. So it's unmotivated me to do that. And at the same time, I've still been working on my cars, but only little bits here and there, because I've been spending more time with Enzo instead of in the shed on my cars, because obviously he can't really come down here. He can, but he can't, you can't just leave him, because you have to be with him 24/7. He's climbing on everything now, so any money he would be up on top of everything. But soon he'll be down here, which will be really freaking cool. I can't wait till it's going to be really cool when I can actually just give him a couple of nuts and bolts or something to play around with, maybe a broken SR20 that he can just sit there and just fiddle with, and then yeah, I can just leave him there and he can have a good time while I do stuff, or be even better when he can work with me. But anyway, all you guys that have kids that help you work on your cars, that is so cool, and yeah, it's going to be exciting when that happens. But YouTube wise, kind of, yeah, just, I don't know, wasn't having fun anymore. So I'm just gonna take it pretty easy with the YouTube, because it is big. There's a lot of shit to do to put out videos every week. So I don't know, I'm just gonna go with the flow, see what happens, and I go to a few drift events and stuff like that. But next year, a lot of things could change, but at the moment, that's where I'm at. So I'm currently really close to doing some really exciting shit. The RB25 is right here on the ground with the gearbox bolted up, starter motors on. That is ready to go in the car. A few things have changed with just cosmetic rocker covers and stuff like that. So that there is ready to go in the car though, ready to go. And that was good fun getting that gearbox on. It wasn't too bad, but it's on there. 180, obviously, that's just sitting there. The Jeep, I've made heaps of progress on that. Done a few bits and pieces, fixed a heap of shit on it. The aircon works now, which is great. I've just got to do a couple more things, cut and polish it because the clear coat's a bit stuffed, and then that is ready for sale. The S13 is just a weapon. Went to that Friday night drift, didn't bop the bonnet, only used the one set of tires in the dry, and there's still a little bit left on them. It was pretty freaking cool. I don't know what was going on, but QR was super grippy that night. I've never ever felt it like that, and I haven't changed anything with the car. And the other thing is, these tires kept popping off the rims, de-beating themselves on that Matsuri. So I think it's definitely temperature, road temps are big, affect the car massively. So it makes sense why it would, but I don't know, I've never had that big of a difference before. But yeah, that was sick. I got so much life out of these tires. And then S13, man, it's a freaking weapon. It just keeps going and going and going and going. Love it. Absolute beast. R32 is up here, just chilling, ready for the engine and ready for these parts that are in this box right here that we are about to dive into. The Subaru and FC are just chilling over there, and all the other projects in that shed, not car wise, and building something over here, that's all pending, and a whole heap of shit, It's just craziness. But let's get right in this box. I've actually not opened it yet, so this is like a real-time reaction right here. So, what have we got in this box? I've been waiting for so long for this to arrive. Oh shit. What we have right here is hopefully the entire fuel system for the R32. Every fitting that I need should be in this box, but pretty much guarantee you I'm going to get some things wrong, and I'm going to have to change some sizes and bends and things and send them back, and then a little bit of exchange, trial and error until you get it dead right. But this is the second time I've done this, and I did it last time through Kudos as well, and those boys, man, they will help you so much. The best way to do it if you're organizing to do a fuel system, get a piece of paper, write it down, have a little map here, and figure out what size fittings you need and what parts you're going to need. This was my rough draft here. You got the surge tank and the pumps, and yeah, I'm going to have 3 pumps, fuel cell on the back, lift pump, 2. It's just way overkill. It's going to be like, you could run like something stupid like 1500 horsepower with this system, but that's all the fittings all there. Doesn't look like anything looking at it on camera, but yeah, it takes a long time to do that shit. So I got a couple of other freaking cool goodies in here as well that I'm pretty sure I'll use a lot in the shed. I've got a freaking AN spanner. Like, how gangster is this? And I'm pretty sure I got the actual other spanners as well. So I got that. I got, hang on, I'm gonna need more hands, eh? I'm gonna need way more hands. I'm just gonna lay all the stuff out and just show you guys when it's all out on the floor.
Tell me on, 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 yeah, yeah. Tell me on, tell me on, tell me on, tell me on, yeah. J-Lips. Tell me I'm fresh, tell me I'm next, fill up my head, tell me I'm cool, tell me to flex, spend the whole check, you do not care, well that's what you said. Tell me a lie, tell me again, cause it's so time, I've been with your friend, tell me why, I play pretend, tell me why, you play pretend. Tell me I'm fresh, tell me I'm next, fill up my head, tell me I'm cool, tell me to flex, spend the whole check, you do not care, well that's what you said.
Holy shit, we have so many fittings. It looks like we just walked in a freaking shop. There's that many freaking fittings here, it's insane. It's definitely a lot different when you have it on paper to in person. I'm just like, whoa. Yeah, holy shit. We've got a lot of fittings here. It's freaking sick. This is Christmas come early, man. Yeah, the reason why I was waiting for so long for these parts is this braided line is fully sick, but they couldn't get any stock of it. Not Kudos' fault. I think it was, what is it called? Yeah, Raceworks. They couldn't get any material for some reason. Probably to do with that shit that's going on in the world at the moment, but we've got it now. We've got the lines. We have the line. And holy shit, I've got to go over everything and make sure I got the right shit, lay it all out, figure out what I do and don't have, and then go from there. I've also got a fuel cell on the shelf here, a plastic one that I bought like yonks ago, so I'll pull that out, and a surge tank and a couple other fittings and shit. I'll pull that out and I'll suss out everything. It's gonna take a long time, but how freaking sick is this shit? Just quickly, I got a Raceworks fuel pressure regulator, and most of this stuff I never ever buy brand new, like, and I would never buy like the proper tools. I'm just freaking, I don't know, I've lost my shit right now. I've got the proper shit. It's so cool. I even bought bloody soft jaws so that when I put the hose in the vise and try and like clamp it up, it's gonna hold it perfect. It's got the right size clamps there to make it easy, and man, so cool. The rail is like freaking beautiful in black. It looks so sick. A couple of Bosch pumps over there and a lift pump filter. So yeah, we've got the bee's knees here. Freaking sick. Thank you so much to Kudos, Andrew and the boys. absolute legends. Brought Christmas early, a couple of weeks early, and yeah, I'm so keen, so freaking keen. The fuel system is like one of the big things on a car to do, especially all in like AN fittings. It costs quite a lot, but yeah, massive thanks to Kudos for helping me out, making it possible. If you guys are looking at doing a fuel system, make sure you hit them up. They'll help you out. Any questions you have, they'll help you out. Raceworks is a good brand. Speedflow, Aeroflow, it's similar. This is a little bit lower grade quality, but Raceworks does what it needs to do for my application. Never had an issue with it, so that's why I'm running it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are running, and if you're looking at doing any fuel systems in the future, and I'll reply to your comments. I'll see you guys there. Thanks heaps for watching. Always hit the like button, drop some comments, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, look forward to the next video. Not sure what it's going to be, but I'll be trying to make a new video coming out soon. Hopefully it's just putting the RB25 back in again. I don't know if I'm going to film that because I've already done it. I've got the right engine mounts now as well, so it should just go in there and we can bolt it in. You might end up just seeing it in the car. Follow my Instagram for more, because I'll post stories and stuff and you'll see steps. Let's do that. Alright, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. So I just spent quite a few hours going through all these fittings. You can't see shit because it's all black, and that's the whole idea, so it's going to hide. But basically, after all that, there's only a couple of things wrong. This lift pump here, I didn't know it was just going to be like a barb fitting, so that's not AN style, so I'll have to just run a normal hose from there to my my pickup. So these fittings here aren't needed for that pump, and then these check valves, I'm not sure if I got them to do with the lift pump or not, but I don't think I need them. I've got everything for the pressure reg, the rail, the wire joint split to each end of the rail, the filter, the wire joint here, the pumps going between here, which are there, the bracket, the fittings of these, and this one here is wrong as well, so that needs to be a 90 instead of a straight. Other than that, she's mint, so need to fix that and need to suss out the lift pump. Other than that, yeah, she's beautiful. Also got a couple of fittings for the oil return, the head drain oil return, so that one there and that one there. I do need to order a couple for the oil return off the turbo, off that one there, down to a fitting that screws in to there. And then once I have those, I'm pretty sure I've got everything except for, then there'll be power steering, oil cooler. I'm pretty sure I've got everything for that. But it continues, so the list is getting extended, and then eventually I'll get it all in the car. But yeah, it's so nice, eh? So freaking nice. Ooh, it's gonna be sick. Stay tuned. See you guys.